lesson, we're gonna need a resistor. That's this thing right here. That is what we call a resistor. What it basically does is, so that they can hear it. But like what it basically does is, you can delete this by the way. It resists the number of volts that passes through the to the LED. Now in this one, this is what we call our LED. This is what we're gonna try to be lighting up for today. Hopefully this puppy works. Now this one is what we call wires. And oh my, we're gonna need 4 wires in total. And then this part right here, this part is called our breadboard sheet. This is where we plug in all the things, and this is where we're gonna plug in the LED. And this is where it is. This is the Arduino. The magic happens here. This is where we plug in basically everything here. This is the main frame.
Where you get the coding from?
Where you send the coding and then we'll transmit it. So yeah. You need this wire to connect to the computer, and this wire. Now come closer. So you're gonna need to plug it in like this, right? And then come to the back of the computer. I don't know if you can see it. From the back, come to the back. You'll plug it in. There you go.
Oh yeah. Okay. Do another one.
You can stop the recording.
Hold on.
Where does this go?
I'm gonna actually record. That's it. And the breadboard. So for right now, we gotta get the information, and the information is always gonna be on this side, digital. You're always gonna get your info from there. You can place it wherever you want because this has no initial digital number for it to get the information from. And what you're supposed to do is put it to like any place you want on this blackboard, as long as it's in the A through J, from 1 to 30. You can put it. Let's say I'll put A. Why not? And you're always gonna have a ground, and ground is always gonna be negative. That's where you're gonna get your power from. If you have a battery connected to here, you would have 5 volts connected too, but since you're getting your energy from the computer, you don't need it. And then what you're gonna need is a restrictor and your LED. And you're gonna put your, okay. What you're gonna see here is one slightly bigger than the other. This is positive, the bigger one, and then the smaller one is negative. So what you're supposed to put it on is, let's say, in the same row as 1, and then the restrictor is always gonna have the energy current, and it's always gonna have to be in negative, and it's gonna have to be on the other side. If I fuck up, my bad.
Okay, so then you just run the program. Wow. Sit a bit, And then
just basically just build it, and I'll just have to.
And that's how it works. And if you want to change the seconds, the amount of delay time, you just change the number. We'll put 100 and another 100. Upload, and it'll go faster. So simple as that.
Sorry, I messed up.
See you on the next video, guys. Peace out.